Good morning, candidates. This is for Federal Bank Chartered Accountants and also for Karnataka Bank Chartered Accountants interview. What are the primary functions of a commercial bank? Explain the difference between retail banking and corporate banking. What are the recent trends in Indian banking sector? I'm just covering few questions. What are the eligibility criteria for MSME loans in Federal Bank? What is the importance of priority sector lending? Then what is the explain the significance of SURFACE Act in banking? Then what are the recent RBI guidelines on risk-based supervision? Explain the concept of Basel III norms. How does RBI ensure banking stability in India? Explain the concept of foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment. Explain the impact of currency fluctuations in banking. Explain the concept of advance tax. What are the GST tax rates applicable in India? How is the input tax credit calculated under GST? What are the key components of a bank's balance sheet? How do you analyze a company's financial statements? What is the difference between EBITDA and net profit? Explain the term derivatives in stock market. What is the significance of ULIPs? How does bank assurance work? How do you manage time effectively in high pressure environment? What steps do you take to ensure accuracy in financial reports? A company's balance sheet shows declining profitability. How would you analyze it? How would you assess the financial health of a borrower? Then some more questions. How does the introduction of central bank digital currency impact banking? Then what is the role of artificial intelligence in banking? Explain the recent RBI guidelines on priority sector lending. Explain the significance of correspondent banking in international trade. What is the significance of euro bonds in global finance? Then, what is the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion? What are the tax implications of stock market investments? How do banks assess project financial proposals? Explain the role of revenue capital in corporate finance. How do banks handle the distressed assets? Explain the concept of market capitalization of stock markets. What is the significance of fundamental analysis of stock market investments? What is the role of third party administrators in health insurance? What are the latest IRDAI guidelines for life insurance policies? How does risk assessment work in insurance underwriting? What motivates you to pursue a career in banking? What strategies do you use for effective communication at workplace? Explain how would you handle unethical situation at work. The stock market crashes and Federal Bank share price drops. How should the bank respond? This question I think we can delete. Then next one is a borrower defaults on their loan. What steps should the bank take? Next question, a competitor bank launches aggressive marketing campaign. How should Federal Bank respond? Then what is fintech and how it is transforming banking sector? How do digital lending platforms ensure risk management? What are regulatory challenges faced by fintech firms in India? How does buy now, pay later impact banking sector? How does RBI regulate fintech companies operating in India? Then explain the role of API banking and fintech collaborators. Then what measures should be taken to ensure fintech firms comply with anti-money laundering guidelines? Then how does bank insurance help in increasing insurance penetration in India? Then how does Federal Bank manage bank assurance operations. What is mutual fund canvassing and why is it important for banks? Then what is the significance of ELSS in tax planning? Then wealth management, what are the key services offered by under wealth management? What is the difference between discretionary, non-discretionary wealth advisory services? How does technology impact the future of wealth management advisory? Thank you, friends. So far, two candidates have joined our group for chartered accountancy interview. In case some of you are interested, please pay rupees 615 and join our group. I will send you the questions. I will also give you other materials you can read. I am sure you will be having your own materials and magazines published by CA Institute. I am sure you will be able to succeed provided you prepare sincerely. Best of luck. I request you to pay before 9 o'clock, not 9 o'clock, before 8 a.m. in India or after, say, 4 p.m. in India so that I can respond immediately. Thank you.